We had multiple goals when we were looking at the roof replacement here. You know, you got to understand it's 13 acres of area, over 500,000 square feet. We're a 2,000 event facility a year. We want to make sure it was seamless, in that we could actually take place and not have to interrupt any of our clients that are on multi-year contracts on the facility.
So I think Tremco have been involved with the ownership group for some time, walking them through the possibilities for roofing restoration. A conventional roofing project would often mean full tear-off of the existing product right down to the structural deck. A restoration project, on the other hand, tries to utilize what's in place already and then install a new fully waterproof seamless coating over the top of it.
The Enercare Centre and their consultant chose to go with AlphaGuard FCLO because it really answered some critical issues with the project. The key one being the World Cup finding its way to Toronto and the exhibition place in early 2026. The project had to be absolutely completely finished by that time, and FCLO gives us the ability to roof all the way through the winter should it have been required.
With all the key parties that were involved, we ensured there was great partnership that had everyone literally rowing in the same direction to achieve, a successful execution and completion without any hiccups.
We did a pre-project training with all of the crews that were going to be involved with the installation prior to the start of the job. We augment this service with daily site inspections throughout the course of the project. Our 2 inspectors were on site every single day to verify that the material was put down at the right coverage rate, using proper methods, and was detailed correctly.
So there's a lot of value that comes with rehabilitation. It's a 30-year warranty on the roof, so it gives us the same warranty had we completed the entire roof, and yet it provides the quickness of doing it, the uninterruption with our clients, and so we get the same benefits at the end of the day.
I believe roof warranty was important to Enercare as well as their consultants because it really proved Tremco's confidence in the durability and the long-lasting nature of the roof system. But also of importance to them, this roof system is in fact perpetual in nature. At year 25, it simply requires cleaning, priming, and recoating to provide another 25 years of service life, which can then be repeated again.
AlphaGuard FCLO rapidly cures on the building, and so you effectively have a complete and seamless roofing membrane within 30 minutes of application, which was a real benefit given the roof geometry. It also has a great benefit in that it can be applied in a wet-on-wet application, which is effectively done in one pass. The ability to put down the base layer and the top layer at the same time meant we could move through what's a large roof area. It's also a low-odor one, which was an important consideration for the operators of the facility.
What made Triumph a strong installer on this project, aside from the quality of the workmanship and labor, was the communication, which is the most important part for us. We were told every day what was happening on site, whether roofing work was happening and where, and if there was any issues that came up, we were in constant communication about next steps and how to rectify them.
Our relationship with Tremco has been great. They've been great partner at finding solutions that fit the site conditions, the needs of the client. It's been a pleasure working with Tremco.
Restoring the Enercare Centre roofs diverted 470 tons of material from the landfill, while at the same time eliminating the need for 30 or 40 flatbed trucks of replacement materials to rebuild the roof that in the end we saved.
So we really believe that the Enercare Centre in Toronto is a prime case study and a shining example of what can be done with roofing restoration. Too often projects like this would use roofing replacement as the only option, so we believe this can showcase the ability and the benefits of providing roofing restoration over a project of this type.